Imagine you pre-order the latest gaming console. Today the company lets you lock in the price at $500. A month later, the console becomes incredibly popular. Stores are selling it for $700 because the demand is so high. But you don't have to pay $700. You still have the right to buy it for $500. You immediately have an advantage worth $200. This is exactly how a long position works. When you take a long position, you are agreeing to buy an asset at a fixed price because you believe its value will increase. If the market prices rise above your agreed price, your position becomes more valuable. Imagine you enter a forward contract to buy 100 ounces of gold at $2,000 per ounce. 6 months later, gold is trading at $2,300. Everyone else must pay the new market price, but your contract still allows you to buy at $2,000. That difference is your gain. The higher the market price rises above your agreed price, the more valuable your long position becomes. That's why investors with a long position want prices to go up. A rising market works in their favor.